It's important to capture information about your future titles at an early stage so that your records are as complete as possible and so that you can plan your list efficiently and with insight. Bibliocloud lets you store as much or as little information as is relevant at all stages of your product's lifespan and makes data entry as painless, quick and as consistent as possible by using templates and straightforward screens. We're going to start by adding information about a new title into Bibliocloud. First up, let's securely sign in. Have you ever struggled to log into your Office server remotely and suffered the appalling lag which makes remote working pretty much impossible? Or have you had to email, file transfer or Dropbox yourself documents and data to access them outside of the office? Not with Bibliocloud. Bibliocloud is a web application, which is a fancy way of saying website, so you can access it from anywhere at any time. You don't need to buy special software to access it, you just need a browser. I'm using Chrome here on a MacBook Pro, but you can use whatever contemporary operating system, browser and device you prefer. I'm excited about a proposal I've had in called Letters Between Gentlemen, which is a novel by steampunk supremo Professor Elemental, alongside Nemu Brown and illustrated by Tom Brown. I want to propose that we publish 3 separate products of this title, an ebook, a paperback and a collectible slipcase. There's quite a bit of information that will apply to all 3 products, which thankfully Bibliocloud won't make me enter 3 times. So the blurb, the subject, the contributors and the audience won't change, for example, regardless of which product we're thinking about. There's other information which is dependent on the product, the dimensions, the price, the binding and so on. Let's look at how Bibliocloud helps us to set all this up in the most straightforward way and with the least amount of effort. I'll navigate to Products and click on the Add New link, and I'll start to enter data. I could add in some title level information manually, but instead I'll use a template to provide a lot of information without much effort. I'll create the bare bones of the author record. There'll be a lot more I can add in later if I want. I'll mark this as a proposal. The editorial board hasn't signed it off yet. I'll add in the small amount of marketing text I have available at this early stage. Next comes the list of my usual product types. I'll add in information for the relevant ones. You'll see that the drop-down lists are contextual, based on what sort of product we're talking about. I can choose to allocate an ISBN now or leave it open for the moment. I can provide a different publication date for each product and a different extent. I can also put in what sales rights I'll hope to agree with the author or agent and the prices in different currencies. I'll hit save, and that's all I have to do to get Onyx Valid data all set up. That's the basics of capturing the concept of a book. Watch the next video to follow on to the next major workflow step, the approval process.